Operation of TX-C208 hydrogen water bathing machine. Take out 2-piece shower tube. Unscrew the nuts of the water inlet and outlet. One of the shower tube is connected to the water outlet. Add a filter to the inlet of the other shower pipe. Another one of the shower tube is connected to the water inlet. Take out the nano-hydrogen water dispenser and connect it to the outlet of shower pipe. Tighten and place in water, and take out the filter and connect it to the inlet of shower pipe. Tighten and place in water, connect the power cord and power on. Remove the cap of hydrogen water tank and add about 420 milliliters purified water. Tighten the cap. Turn on the power. Set the working time, and the maximum time can be 60 minutes. It is normal that the startup time takes about 10 seconds. More about hydrogen-related products? Just contact Ptxson TX-C208 Generator.